I want to sharing this. This is a folding gate wheel. Okay, now this two wheel actually is the same. It's a metal wheel. So one is a new, one is old. So old will get rusty. So that's right, we fully recommend using the stainless steel roller. Even though hot sun, rain, every single gate you open, close the gate, it won't give you any problem, and the lifespan very long. So we don't advise to use a metal, because after a few years it get rusty. It give you a lot of problem, like sometimes jump track, sometimes you need to use a hand and pull, it only can move, and also sometimes you need to spray some WD-40, only it can close back or fully open. Now we going to show how we know this is metal or stainless steel. So if we using the metal, we use a magnet, we can bring it up. If it's stainless steel, we use a magnet and stick it, we can't bring it up. This confirm is a stainless steel. If metal, you see again, you can bring the whole thing up. This is a metal. In the market, roller got two types. This now I showing this photo is a round shape. Round shape we not advise, because the whole gate of the weight he will focus on the wheel, very hard to turning. Normally we advise you to use a oxygen type. Oxygen type he like hanging the gate, so he make the gate more lighter, more smooth, more easy to push, so your motor also can last longer. Another thing is the above the roller have a ball bearing. The ball bearing is concealed inside the gate. This one is very important. A lot of case he just change the roller only without change the bearing. Bearing like the head, the roller like the leg. So without the head, he can't give you any better result, because it's like the whole body. You must change the head and the leg together, only you can get the result.